I am Tian, a PhD candidate at the University of Auckland. Let me show you around the desk where I spend almost 8 hours a day. This is my monitor, as you can see, and this is my laptop, and this is me. Anyway, this monitor and laptop setup is very normal for a PhD student. It's not a luxury when you are writing a thesis. You have a paper open here, and you can draft another side constantly. For notes, I actually split anything important gets handwritten because I remember it better. Everything, okay, my alarm. Everything smaller goes straight into my note-taking app like Notion, and a proper desk. You will always have a cup. This is from my department. It's free, and you can have coffee, have water, whatever you want to survive in your PhD. You cannot live without a cup. And this is my lifeline. I also have a desk dustbin. I can put some paper or some dry waste rubbish in this desk dustbin, which is very convenient. I also want to share something about research reference manager, which is always open on my laptop. Zotero. I don't know you heard about it or not. Zotero, everyone will use it if you are a PhD, okay? And nothing here is aesthetic for the sake of it. Every single thing on this desk earns its spot by helping me actually stay focused, especially the to-do list from this notebook, physical one. If you're setting up your own study space, what's the one thing you cannot work without? Let me know in the comments. I know my desk probably is a little bit messy. Show yours. Okay, see you next time. Bye.